Hello. We have a single-phase fault, phase A to ground. There are two breakers on the line. The zero sequence current is not written, so it will need to be calculated. There is no sum of the currents of the breakers, so they will also need to be calculated. We had a one-phase trip, then a three-phase trip occurred. This was a malfunction, but L60 is not the reason. In this case, the device worked only with backup protections. This is the first zone of distance protection work. And here is the short-term operation of the load encroachment. First, I will turn off all analog channels that I do not need for analysis. Now I will calculate the currents in the line and the tripled zero sequence current. Now I'm adding zones. Load encroachment. Impedance calculator. If you pay attention, some of the settings have already been entered. These are the parameters for the slope of the characteristics that we use in Ukraine for the L60. My favorite colors. Now I need to link the channels of the comtrade file and the calculator. I forgot to enter the compensation factor for the zero sequence current. Here we also have the ability to reverse the phase of the zero sequence current. There was a close short here, the impedance vector was very small. After disconnecting one phase, the impedance vector left the first zone, but is in the second and third zones, and it is clear why the load encroachment was triggered. These zones have time delays longer than the single-phase reclosing time, so in this case they are not blocked in the reclosing cycle. After tripping 3 phases, 3-phase reclosing was unsuccessful. In the next video I will also look at this case. 3 IEDs L60, ReL670, 7SA522 are installed on this line. In all 3 devices, the first distance protection zone worked and we will see which worked faster. Like, subscribe, share. I'll be grateful for your feedback. Thank you for watching. Peace for everyone.